Meaning of Eugene O'Neill.
Eugene O'Neill.
Eugene O'Neill.
Eugene O'Neill.
Eugene O'Neill. Eugene O'Neill was an American playwright who was widely considered to be one of the greatest dramatists in history. He is known for his raw and authentic portrayals of human anguish and suffering, as well as his innovative use of language and structure in his plays. O'Neill's work explores themes such as addiction, family dynamics, and the search for meaning in life. His most famous works include Long Day's Journey into Night, The Iceman Cometh, and A Moon for the Misbegotten. Ultimately, Eugene O'Neill's legacy continues to shape modern American theater to this day.